Hi guys, Frugal Gal here on another ride-along video. I don't know where we're going, so your guess is as good as mine. But I haven't done one of these in a while, and I was going to go to a yard sale day, like the first yard sale of the season around here that I've seen. Our community-wide yard sale is next week, so there'll be a lot next week, but I don't go on any on Saturday since I keep the Sabbath. So, today is Thursday, but they were supposed to have a really big yard sale out at the Seventh-day Adventist Church, but I got up this morning to go to it, and it was extremely foggy, and it's raining, so I'm still going to go out there because they were going to have it in the parking lot. I'm thinking, well, maybe they moved it inside the building, so we're going to see. I'll show you how it's raining here. You get some cars going by, but well, I don't know how to flip this when it's, I can't flip it. How do you flip it when it's, oh, there's no little flip thing. Maybe I pause it and then I bring it around. I'm going to pause. Never mind, that didn't work. I was going to flip it around and show you how it was raining. But it would be really pretty right now because all of our trees are leafing out really well to show you, you know, the part of the country that I live in. But I don't think you'd get much out of it. I might put a little bit of footage on me driving. I'll turn it around. So let's go to town. I'm going actually to mail your packages from my last auction, the ones who have paid right now. I think one person paid like really late last night. I didn't get it packaged up. So my package is over here. We'll go out and see if there's a yard sale and just ride along with me, okay? Right. And if we don't, we'll hit an antique store. There's only like 2 in town though, so I'm lost. Alright, let you guys go, and you'll see some pretty scenery, maybe. And some windshield wipers going like this, if that doesn't bother you. Alright, see you in a bit. Bye. Yeah, me again. Okay, so I'm heading out to this yard sale that was today. I don't know why I just did quotation marks around yard sale. It's because they're not having it being, it's not, they'll call it yard sale, but whatever. I hate that term. Why did I say whatever? Never mind. So I'm heading out here, and I'm supposed to be at the Seventh-day Adventist Church, and I'm hoping maybe they moved inside, because it didn't say rain or shine. A lot of times, if they're don't care if it rains, they'll put it, you know, in the ad, rain or shine. I actually used to work out here at a school. I did my student teaching out here at a school, and I did some substitute teaching out here at a school out here. So I'm not real sure where the church is. I always get confused out here. I don't know if I passed it around, because it's not like they have a big sign that says what they are. So, we'll see. If we can find it, I thought I'd just come on and talk a little bit, because I don't know what this video is going to be about if it don't come on top. There's the First Church of God, so it's not that one. There's the church, the sign for the Church of Christ. Well, that's in a different part of town. There's the archery place. Hey, I didn't know there was a restaurant out here. Oh, I'm not paying attention when I'm walking. I know there's a restaurant here. I haven't been out this way for a long time. There used to be a plaque out here with my family's name on it, because supposedly some of my family was on the Trail of Tears, Cherokee, but I don't really. I did the DNA test on my dad. There wasn't. He would be the generation that would show up the most in, because of his age group, you know, in his family, and there was no Native American that came back. So we think they might have made it up. I don't know if that plaque's not here. If it was, I'd show it to you guys. There used to be a big plaque that said the Watsons on it, and then it was the Cherokee Trail. Yeah, Trail Tears. But then other people said that the same picture was in another museum out in a different state. So we're all a little confused. Oh, there it is. They are having it. I just passed it. They're having, it's like 2 tables underneath an awning. You know what? Let's go and give them the benefit of the doubt and look. And I don't know where I'm going to turn around here. Maybe I should go look for the plaque first. Show you guys the plaque. I don't know if they took it down or not, but I know the plaque. You hear that? This road. If you live in the country, you know what I mean. You got blacktop roads, 2 lane blacktop roads, and they hold water terribly. And this is the one. I did my student teaching out here at this school, and this is the one school I did not want to do my student teaching at, because it was like the school that had the mean coach and had this and had that, and it was just like, oh, there's Salem Full Gospel. I always think that one is the Seventh-day Adventist. But we used to have a movie theater there. I know you guys can't see, but we used to have a drive-in movie theater. But had like gotten so hot it had melted up there and melted the cover on top of it. So I'm glad that it didn't catch on fire. And then, so I need a whole new air conditioner, which is like over $500, which is cheap because you end up buying 2 at one for another person. So we're, I'm going to discount. But then again, when we got up on the roof, we had some guy seal the roof a couple years ago, and he didn't know what he was doing, and he sealed with the wrong stuff, so it's peeling off. And so we got to get that all resealed, and that costs a lot of money. And then basically, what really costs the most is the labor. So it ends up being, it's going to be over $1,700 to get all this done. So I'm going to start probably, I don't know, it's not probably, I am having an auction every week because I've got to make payments on this stuff, on most of it. So I need some money. So I continue to have them on Monday nights. It seems to work. I know Cindy has hers on Mondays, but you're going to hit somebody having an auction every day of the week. So we all have choices. Here's where the sign was. Let's start in here and see what's. And it's, I don't think it's. Oh, it is still there. Maybe I can't get a picture of it. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to have them every Monday. I'll advertise them on Barbie and Ken's Facebook group. I'll advertise them if you're not friends with me on Facebook. I'll advertise them on there. Hey, it is still here. I'm gonna try to get a picture of it for you guys. This is our portion of the Trail of Tears in Missouri. Alright, I'll show you guys. Alright, I gotta sorry, you're up my nose. I gotta turn you off and then turn you around, and I'll run on the window.